Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, yes. Fine, guys. So we'll start now. We'll start here Python functions, guys. Now we start now, right? Python functions. Python functions. Right. So what is a function? What is a function, guys? Right. A function is a set of reusable statements. A function, right? A function is a set of reusable reusable instructions or statement, guys. Statements. A function is a set of reusable statements or reusable instructions. Okay. So let us see here what is the meaning of this reusable statements. Right. For example, guys, observe here. For example, let's take one example. Suppose I want to find the highest value of two numbers, guys. Here, suppose I have the values 10, 10, 20 are there. 10, 20, right? I want to find the highest number of these two. For that, I want to write a logic now. I want to write one logic here, right? Then, guys, observe here. We take it now. Suppose if 10 greater than 20, then we display, right? We display which one? Print of 10. General, right? Generally, else will display here, right? Print of 20. Print of 20, guys, right? This is the first one for these two numbers, right? Next, guys, here suppose I want to find the highest number of some other two numbers, some other two numbers, something like I'll take 5 and something, guys, 15, something like that. I want to find the highest number of 5 and 15, right? 5 and 15. So, guys, here also, so we take the same if else like this, right? And again, observe, guys, here if 5 greater than, right, 15, then what I want here, I want to print to 5. I want to print to 5. Else, then I want to print right which one? 15. That's all. So what's meaning is here the first number is greater than the second number, the display first number, otherwise display second number. Right? So guys, you observe almost same statements are there, repeating same, right? Same 4 lines repeating, just only the values are changing. The values are changing, but same number of statements and also same logic, guys, right? Same logic. Next one, guys, let's take here, suppose 100 and let's take 50, right? 150 here. I'm taking now one value is 100, the other value is, right, 15. Right. Same, guys. Now if 100 greater than 50, right, 50, then I display here print of 100. Else, right, else we display which one? We display here print of, right, print of 50. Display print of 50. That's all, right? So guys, here for every two numbers, right, we are writing the same logic, guys. Now writing the same logic, which are having the 4 lines, 4 lines in this. See, same number of lines in all the times, and also first if, then print, else print. Same, guys, here, right? If print, else print, like this. Same is there. Means, guys, the same statements are repeating every time for every new values. All of right, the same statements are repeating, guys, here. These are called the reusable statements because we are reusing, right? We are actually rewriting here. We are rewriting, right? Writing it again. If writing here, again writing the if, again writing the if, again else writing here, again else writing here, also else writing here. Means we are rewriting the same logic n number of times. We are rewriting, guys. Now what we're doing here, rewriting for every time, right? For every time. So next one, I have two values, 2 comma some 3 is there, 10 comma some 9 is there. So if I write like 4 comma some 9 is there, something, guys. Now I have 1 comma some 9 is there, right? Next 100 comma something 5 is there. Okay, next one, let's take here 1000 comma something 2000 is there, like this, guys. Now so here now how many times is there? So the same statements we should write One time, for the second time, then third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time here. Means then same statements, guys, I repeat now 6 times. So why 6 times here? Because we have 6 pairs are there. 6 pairs are there. We should repeat. We should write again now. Okay. So guys, here to solve this problem, because we are writing always, right? Writing always. To solve this problem, what do I do? What do I do, guys? Here, instead of numbers, I'll take the first of all some values, a comma b, something like this. Instead of the numbers, I'm taking now just a comma b, right? A comma b. Now all of you observe clearly, right? A comma b. All of observe, right? I'm taking now which one? A comma b, right? A comma b. I'm taking here. A comma b. I'm taking, okay, right? A comma b. Then guys here, now what do I do here? For this a comma b, I read the logic like previous lines. I read here. See now, if a greater than b, then I display here print of a. Else, else, then we display which one? Print of b. That's all. Right? Print of b. Print of, okay. So guys, if you observe, same logic is there, guys. Now, same, just the same logic, same statements are there. But in previous cases, I used numbers. Now I'm using some variables. Some variables. Now what do I do here? Now what do I do here? This logic, for this logic, I keep a name. For this reusable statements, I keep a name. I keep one name, guys, here. I keep one name. I keep one name. All of observe here. For this one, I keep one name here. Like observe, guys, now. I'll take now some def. I'll take simply max of 2, something like that. Max of 2. I'm taking the name, right? Max of 2. Then I take the a comma b. A comma b. That's all. A comma b. I'm taking, guys, enough, right? It's enough now. That's all, guys, now. Right? Now what happened, guys, here? The same logic, right? The same statements I wrote here. I wrote, right? I wrote here. I wrote here. Then for this same lines, I kept a name. I kept one name. I kept one name. What name I kept there here? I kept the name max of 2. What name I kept here? I kept the name, right? Max of 2. Max of 2, right? Max of 2. Right? So guys, here it's called a function name. It's called a function name, which is having a reusable statements, right? Reusable statements. Now by using that function, by using the max of 2, now guys, I pass the values now. Max of 2, right? Max of 2, right? The max of the name must be same as it is, guys, now. Max of 2, I'll take simply 2 comma 4. Enough, guys, now. Enough. Right? So if run this one, if run this one, right? If run this one, then guys, what will happen here, right? First of all, the name is same name, right? Same name is matching here. Then first value will go to the first variable a automatically. Then second value will go to the b, will go to the b, guys, now second variable. That's all. So what's a value now? 2. What's the b value now here? 4. Then go inside 2 greater than 4. True or false? False. Then go to else block. B. What is b? 4. So output is 4. Output is 4, guys, enough, right? The same case now, the same logic, I can reuse one more time also. I can reuse, guys, here by using the function name. I take a max of 2, right? Max of 2 of, I'll take 10 comma 20. That's all. I'm taking now 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20, right? Again, if run this one, right? If run this one, then guys, here, so max of 2 and max of 2, same name, and here how many are there? 2 are there. Here also 2 are there. Okay, matching. Then guys, automatically here 10 will assign to variable a, means a parameter a, and 20 assigned to which one? Parameter b, right? B. Now a value 10. What's a value now? A value 10. What's b value? B value 20, right? Now start the loop now. Start the block. What's a value now? 10. B value 20. So if 10 greater than 20, then display 10. Otherwise display 20, right? So 10 greater than 20, true or false? If is false, then go to else block. Then print b. What's b value? 20. So 20 will be the output, right? Means, guys, here I wrote only one time. I wrote only one time, but I'm using n number of times, guys. Now I'm using n number of times. Next time, for example, I'll take now simply max of 2, max of 2. I'll take simply 100 comma 200. I'm taking now 100 comma, right, 200, or take a normal like 200 comma something 100 also, no problem, right, 100. Now if run this one, guys, all of you observe here. If run this one, right, what's the name here, max of 2, what's the name here, max of 2? Yes, both are same names, right? Then automatically here how many numbers are there? Here two numbers are there. Here how many are there variables? Are two are there. It's also length is same, means number of variables same. Then 200 go to and assign to which one? Assign to a variable. Then 100 will assign to which variable now? Right, b, right, b. Now what's first one value here? The first one value is 200, right? The b value is how much here? It's 100. It's 100. Now start the block. Now a greater than b, nothing but 200 greater than 100. True or false? False. They go to else block. Else what is there? Print of b. What is b here? Sorry guys, it's true, right? Sorry guys, it is true. So sorry. So a greater than b means 200 greater than 100. True or false? True only. Then go to its block. Then print of what's a value 200. Then output is the 200, guys, now, right? So finally, guys, if you observe clearly, we are reusing the same statements n number of times. We are reusing, guys, right? This n number of statements, guys, we are reusing. Okay, we are reusing, guys, here. That's all. We are reusing. That's why I said that a function is a which one? Set of reusable statements. Set of right. Set means a collection of reusable statements, guys. That's all. Okay. So fine, guys, here, right, in this case, see, only one time the function is defined. One time we define the function, and we call the same function n number of times, defining only one time and calling the multiple times. Means create only one time, guys, we can call n number of times. Suppose, guys, if you see the names, our names, right, our names are there. My parents only one time they kept my name as a Narayana, right? One time they kept it as a Narayana, and every day, guys, that the people calling me the same name, Narayana here, means only one time they kept the name, but multiple times we are using the same name, guys. We are using the same name. That's why always define only once and call n number of times. We call n number of times with the same length of arguments. Here two are there, and here also two are there, here also, right, which one? Like two are there, because, guys, here we have only two. Okay, then now, guys, observe here, right? So in this case, see, guys, now this is called this name is called function definition, guys. Now one second, guys, this one I'll move aside. Okay, so all of observe clearly, I'm writing syntax here only. This one is called this part is called right, this is called function definition name. What called? It's called function definition, guys. All of you observe very clearly, guys. Here it's called right, function, right, function definition, something, right, function definition. Okay, function, I think D, right, for definition, I think D, function definition. It's called the function definition, guys, here. Okay, and here, and guys, if you come down, I'll remove these two, I'll move aside. Okay, now I'm taking syntax, guys. Okay, I'm taking syntax now. There's the first function definition, and this name is called, guys, this name is called function call. This name is called what do you call? It's called function call, guys. Function definition name, function call name, function rate, function call. So function definition and function call. Okay, right. So in the function definition, guys, in the function definition, there are some arguments are there in the function definition, right? Some arguments are there here. All observe, right? These arguments are called. These arguments are called. See, these are right. These arguments. Those arguments are called. What you call here? See, there is a name. There are two names actually here. The first one is called formal arguments or parameters. Formal arguments or parameters. Other name is positional, guys. Now, right? Positional arguments. Formal and right? Positional. Formal arguments are positional arguments, guys. Okay, then the function call, in the function call also we have the some arguments here, right? In the function call also some arguments are there here, right? Some arguments are there, so they are called, guys, they are called actual arguments. So all of observe here, these are called actual, right? Actual arguments. So the above one is formal and below one is which one? Actual arguments. Actual arguments, guys, enough. So above definition and below the function call, and above formal arguments and below the actual arguments. Okay, actual arguments. And guys here, and next one, this part is called just guys observe here, right? This is called function body. It is called what you call this one? It's called function body, guys. Now it is called function body. Okay, function, right? Function body or function implementation. That's all. Function body generally. Function body. And only one thing is left. That is keyword, guys. What is left here? It one left. Right? This is left here, guys. It's called Python keyword, guys. Now. So what is one? This is the which one? It's a Python keyword. Which keyword? Python def keyword. Why def keyword we use? Why def keyword we use? Def keyword is used to define a function. Guys, here enough. Okay. Python, right? Python keyword to create a function, right? To create a function, guys, enough. So all of observe here, generally this is the a full syntax. Generally is a simple syntax of the function, guys, right? Function definition. The definition, what do we have? We have the formal or positional arguments, and right, in the by definition we implement the function body. We implement the function body. Okay, right. Next, guys, here function call. Function call contains actual arguments. Actual arguments. So, guys, here in this example, 2, 4 are the actual arguments. A, B are the formal or positional arguments. Formal or positional arguments. Okay, right.